Hello and welcome to Makula. Today, we're going to walk you through how you can bring preventive maintenance events for assets into the system by simply bulk uploading a CSV. Of course, we understand it's not easy to go into each asset and create multiple preventive maintenance events or alerts. That would just take a lot of time. You come into settings, you scroll down to work management, import data, and planned events. Now here you've got supporting information that helps you structure your CSV or Excel file to successfully import these planned events per asset into the system. Starting off, your asset ID is required is being created for. Event name is just the name of the event, as seen in one of our last videos where we spoke about planned events. As an example, like a biannual service or a quarterly maintenance or a yearly service kind of thing. Frequency is required, and the column you have for frequency can either have a none or a repeat value. If it's a one-time event, you would say none. And if this is something that needs to occur or reoccur again and again, then you would say repeat. If the frequency is repeat, then you need to define day, week, month, or year, and repeat every day or year or month. If the frequency is repeat, or it just goes on and on until the end of time. If the repetition, and of course this is optional, but it defaults to never. If the repetition ends is set to on a certain date, then you need to define what the date is. If the repetition ends is set to after a certain number of occurrences, then you need to define the number of occurrences. As seen in the last video that we did, we set 10 occurrences so that the biannual service would end after 5 years. Now, auto create days before is how many days before the preventive maintenance should trigger, how many days before the preventive maintenance is due should it automatically trigger a work order. And again, auto create days before and auto create unit both need to be defined. The days before column will take a number value, so like 10, and the auto create unit would be day, week, month, or year. So for instance, if you want your preventive maintenance event to trigger a work order 10 and days under the unit. The event description is optional. Also, you can pre-attach procedures to your preventive maintenance events so that when they trigger work orders, you have those procedures attached and the engineer just needs to go in, open the work order and fill them. IDs separated by commas in their own dedicated column. Again, you can pre-attach parts to preventive maintenance events, and to be able to do this, you need to then have an article numbers column where you can have all the parts that you need to attach to a specific required, because this is the first time that this event is going to take place. Once you've set your Excel or CSV up with this format, click Next. In this case, we're bringing in one that we have. We confirm that they match to column headers, and then now all you need to do is make sure that the column headers or the columns in your Excel or CSV map correctly to Makula fields in the system. The asset ID has automatically mapped the asset ID. The event name is the name. The frequency is the frequency. Again, we have exactly the name that we have within Makula set up in our CSV or Excel as well. Also, if you ever want to see or you're confused about a certain column in your Excel file, you can always click this drop-down to see what values populate that column. Once all of this is done, you would simply finish the import, and all of those events would then get added to your system. That's all for how you bring preventive maintenance events in bulk into Makula. If you're looking for help on any other items, feel free to check out our videos. Thank you.